All right, so here's what we're going to do. It says, what is the product? So the terminology is important. I'm being asked, what is the product? Oops. What is the product of x minus 3 and the quantity x plus 7? What does product mean from a mathematical perspective? It means to multiply. It's the answer to a multiplication problem. Okay, so let's multiply these out. So I've got x minus 3 and times x plus 7. Gonna fill out the grid. So I've got x minus 3 times x plus 7. X times x is just x squared. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. X times 7 is a positive 7x. And negative 3 times positive 7 is a negative 21. Remember that the like terms are usually rigged up in this diagonal. This should equal x, equals, this whole thing equals x squared. What's 7 minus 3? It's positive 4. So 7x, let me write it out so you guys see what I'm doing. 7x minus 3x equals 4x. And then I have negative 21. That's it. That's all we got. So I'll leave that up there so you guys can write it all down.